Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to help your bamboo sticks. If you have some bamboo growing in your home and you find that the bamboo has started to turn yellow, this can be for a couple of reasons, and we're also going to show you how you can fix this and how you can allow your bamboo to thrive once again. So here I have a bamboo that is starting to turn yellow, and it's showing some sort of mold. There seems to be some sort of liquid inside as well. So I really want to help protect this bamboo, and I want to give it an opportunity to thrive once again. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically washing the bamboo. I'm chopping the yellow part, discarding it, and I have a heated candle right beside me. So I've heated that candle. I'm going to put the section that I've cut off. I've gotten rid of the yellow part, discarded that. I've washed my hands, and I'm going to put the piece that I've cut off into that melted candle in order to seal it, in order to seal the moisture, seal it back once again in order to prevent mold, in order to help prevent bacteria and mold growth. So I'm going to seal it. I'm going to put some water in the on the roots. And I'm going to place it by the window side, so there's not much sunshine going on, and there's indirect light, which is really good for the bamboo to thrive. And I'm going to show you once again how that's done. So if you found this video helpful, and if you do have a bamboo that's starting to turn yellow, I highly recommend you to do this. I'm recording this video as a voiceover about 2 to 3 weeks after I've done this, and my bamboo has not turned yellow, and it's thriving and it's growing. So if you have a yellow bamboo, I highly recommend you give this a try. It takes only a few minutes, and it could literally save your bamboo. If you enjoy more gardening related, plant related videos, then please comment and let me know so I can make more videos about caring for plants, specifically when it comes to medicinal herbs and gardening. If you've enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.